of putting into place legislative policy and other measures, including setting...
162(2)(b), which also says
Kiama kia Wandikani sekta-ini ya Urimi ni Kirutite Mukaana sekta-ini ya Urimi gutharara Kuumana na Thirikari kwaga kuriha Ciringi Billioni 12 magoti maria makoragwo magicokerio arimi.
The issue of the VAT refund to the exporters, you realize our members are mainly exporters to the European market. The VAT refund has not been done for a while. I think to a tune of 12 billion now still remains with the government. This is money that could be used to expand opportunities that will even create jobs.
Mathina maremi makoretwo makireho nginya ne mbura iria irenderea kura guku thirikari igithagathaga kuongerera magoti ndereti-ini ya watho ya kigina ya mwaka wa 2024.
Floods have seriously impacted on the agricultural sector because most of the people who had planted, particularly the cereals, the maize farmers and the cereal growers, their product was submerged. And as an association, we are urging the government if they could look into the issue of replanting, because we're still on a season, so that these farmers can still go back to replant, but they have to be provided with fertilizer.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene Westry Seal, arimi aingĩ ni makoretwo manyihitie urimi wao kuumana na ngarama nene iria irarehwo ni magoti.
Without the suppliers to agro-industry, without those who form the supply chain into the producers and gain a living from that, agriculture will die. And I think the government needs to recognize every element of this chain.
Akiaria musemani-ini wao mwaka mukawa-ini wa Sawela na Ivasha, Seal augite ati wa gukorwo na wagi wa irio matuku-ini meguka guku akiuria thirikari kuingira gatagati na gucaria mitaratara miandanduku niguo kung'ethanira na thina uyu.
Production is a huge challenge to all agricultural sectors. We've all heard about the fake fertilizer issue that's come up. The drought that happened last year.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kamau wa Kahonoki.
Haya.